Jai Shri Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, do you want to speak English fluently and confidently? Do you want to be master in English? So friends, this video is for you because you have a desire for learning this language, but you are facing different type of problem, like you have no one with whom you can practice in English. You have no any English atmosphere. You are not studying in convent school. You have no so much money for learning this language. Don't worry. In this video, I'm going to share with you wonderful technique, and with the help of one technique, you can easily be master in English. You don't need to invest your money for learning this language. You don't need to go any English country for learning this language. You don't need to have someone that someone will come, then you will speak in English, you will practice in English. You don't need anyone. You can easily be master in English by yourself. Okay? So in today's video, I'm going to share with you wonderful technique, and this is a proven and very old technique for learning any language. Whatever language you want to learn, then please learn with the help of this technique. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then, don't skip the video. Okay friends, so let's get into the topic. Okay, so your problem, like, ma'am, I have no one with whom I can practice in English, but there is a desire inside me. I want to speak in English fluently and confidently, but I am not living in an area where English is spoken. I am living in an area where only my native language is generally spoken. So how can I improve my English speaking skill, because I want to speak in English fluently? So friend, don't worry. Here I'm going to share with you one technique, and with the help of this technique you can easily be master in English. So technique name is self-learning. Self-learning, self-studying. So for this you have to play double role, and this technique name is self-learning. This is called role play technique. Role play. Now this is the technique name, like role play technique. Have you ever seen any movie where any hero, heroine, or any villain, they were playing double role? Okay, now you have to play double role for learning this language. Are you not? Yes, you can. You can play double role. Okay, so for this you have to follow some step. Like, first step is choose the discussion, choose the conversation that you want to speak in English. This is the first step. Choose any conversation that is on which you have interest. So it's up to you. Second thing is that select any comfortable area, comfortable place where no one can distract you, no one can disturb you while you are practicing in English. So this is the second step. Third step, set your time. Okay, I have to do practice in English speaking skill within 10 minutes, within 5 minutes, within 1 minute. So it's up to you. Set any perfect time. Okay, now you have to, fourth thing, now you have to modify your conversation according to your situation, because situation may be different. Okay, but once you play double role by using first situation, so after some time you can also automatic modify that conversation according to your situation there. So this is called modifying conversation. Okay, modifying conversation or discussion according to our situation. Okay, now you have to follow 3 or 4 steps. Now in this practice you have to also follow 4 aspects equally, like listening, reading, writing and speaking. Now, how to do this practice? It's very difficult practice. How to find some conversation according to our situation, how to set, how to modify that situation according to our situation. Don't worry friend, in today video I'm going to share with you wonderful app. So just you have to open this application on your Android phone. So and application name is, okay, English conversation practice. Okay, you can search English conversation practice on your Play Store and you will find this is the logo. Okay, now I have already downloaded this application on my mobile phone. So I'm going to open this application. So now you have to open this application. After opening this application you will find so many categories are there. There is not one category, so many categories. Now your problem, ma'am, where will I find this these types of conversation, these types of discussion? Don't worry, you will find so many discussion with the help of this Android phone. Okay, now choose any discussion according to your interest, according to your situation. After choosing discussion you will find so many, there are 3 or 4 top on the top, like quiz, practice and so what you need to do, you need to just want to enhance your speaking skills. So you have to just touch on practice. After touching practicing, okay, now you have to choose your character. Okay, so choose character. Before choosing character you have to record your whole conversation. Record, because when you record your conversation, so you will identify after completing your conversation, that how did you spell, how did you pronounce, and after that you can easily modify your conversation. Okay, so okay, record your conversation and choose your character, whatever you want to do conversation. And don't worry, you don't need to think so much sentences in your mind. You can read sentences in front of you on your mobile. Just you choose your character and read the sentence. Okay, because sentences are already there in your mobile phone, so you have to only read the sentences. Hear sentences and read the sentences. So in this way you can practicing both aspects equally, like listening or reading. Okay, also you are practicing pronunciation, how to pronunciation the word, because when you listen any sentence that you are going to speak and you have already listened that sentence, so you can easily speak out with the same pronunciation, with the same intonation, because at the same time you are using shadowing technique also. So in this technique you are using 2 or 3 technique, like shadowing technique, like paraphrasing technique, like role play technique, so many technique. Okay, after completing your whole speech, then listen your record that you have speech, and after that you can also choose the second character. This is a wonderful technique, believe me friend. Initially time you feel more difficult, it's very difficult, oh I can't learn this language. But believe me, after using this technique again and again with the help of this application, believe me, you will far ahead of where you are standing with your problem, like ma'am I have no one with whom I can practice in English, ma'am I have no any environment of learning this language, ma'am I have no money for investing learning this language. Don't worry, you have your Android phone and you have this application, then please download this application and start your English speaking practice. So that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.